Okay, hi everyone. Ken from Canus Brakes. We are at VIR at our little shop of horrors here. We had a few minutes with the 23 WRX on track this morning, and stock brakes, yeah, not gonna work. I put fluid in it and I went 2 really slow laps and pedal went to the floor. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put some brake pads on this thing now rather than later. I'm pretty sure those factory ones are glazed. The fine folks at Carbotech came in handy. We prepared because I was going to try and run those stock brakes for the weekend or the event, 2 days. Maybe put some, quote autocross pads on there, and that idea just is not going to fly. So we got what is typical is to do a bit of a staggered setup for these type of cars where it's front biased. I'm going to use the XP12 compound in front, XP10 in the rear. It'll take a little bedding. I'll take a little quick look at everything. Hopefully the fluid didn't boil or anything, because that was a disconcerting feeling to not have brakes. So anyway, the install is straightforward. These are Subaru brakes. I don't really need to bore you with that. You can consult your qualified technician for install advice. We'll run a couple sessions this afternoon and be right back with some more details, because we got another thing in store. Our good friends Dan at Mach V Motorsports with our race comp engineering super sport coilovers will go on tonight. So we're going stage 1, 2, and 3 all in a day. Pretty fun. Thanks.